Hello, this is Con Michelle. I will show you the angle, how many degrees. The fan is hanging outside up because the globe, socket get break, but I don't want it to break. Show you the angle degree it is. Let's look at it together. You can see it's pitched to the 14-degree angle, but the fan has to turn that little. Oops. I told it's gonna fall. But I didn't tell her about that. See that? It's got a little line circulating. See that? The line. Now it's going to regular fans. The regular fan pitch. This is a hugger fan. Let's go to the next one. This fan has a 12-degree angle, but its motor is so strong, but it's got a 12-degree angle. You can see it's got a pointy blade, and you pull the chain. It's all wound up. I can't show it running. I twist the chain, see how many degrees it's gonna be. See, I'm right. Spin it. Yep, 12 degrees. Let's spin it so fast. See, the blow's air. Spin it super fast. I'm not enough about the spinning. But this is clockwise. I can feel heat down. On the surface motor, it's got a plastic motor. That's it for the ceiling fan blade angle. Leave a comment below, let us know. Or if you have questions, please give us a comment. Do you have problems with your ceiling fan calling you? Give us a comment, let us know. Thanks for watching. But your ceiling fan has a problem, give us a comment. But we will fix your ceiling fan. Leave a comment below, let us know. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.